The question says, how will you convert benzene into the following compounds? Okay, first one is para-nitrobromobenzene. Let me write this chemical reaction. We have to convert a benzene ring into para-nitro. Para-nitro. So in para position, nitro group is attached, and then we have bromobenzene Br is attached here. Okay, with respect to Br, nitro group is attached at the para position, para nitro bromobenzene. Okay, before carrying out the conversion reaction, always identify what kind of group are attached to the benzene ring. Okay, if you pay attention here, this Br is a halogen and it is having the lone pair. It is having the lone pair. Okay, and it can donate electron density. We have learned plus M group are acting as ortho and para directing. Plus M group which can donate electron density, and minus M group they are acting as a meta directing which can pull electron density. Minus M group are having more electronegativity. That's why they have tendency to pull the electron density. So they are meta directing. Okay, you can see Br is having lone pair, then it is ortho and para directing, and NO2, this nitrogen is more electronegative than this carbon, then it is acting as a minus M group, and hence it is a meta directing. Okay, so with respect to Br, we need NO2 at the para position. You can see para nitro. So that's why first of all we need to introduce this Br. After introducing Br, then we can carry out nitration. From the nitration we can get NO2, and this NO2 will go to the para position, because with respect to Br, NO2 will go to the para position. If I introduce NO2 first, think about it very carefully. If I introduce NO2 first, so since it is meta directing, after nitration, let's say if I carry out halogenation, so whatever the halogen is there, this halogen will go to the meta position, because NO2 is what meta directing. Okay, so it's very essential before doing the conversion, always identify what kind of group are attached to the benzene ring. Okay, now move forward. We have benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring. Let me write benzene ring is there, and first we have to introduce halogenation. Okay, so in this case we can use Fe, and it is Br3, and we have Br2 is there. From here you can get electrolyte Br is there. Okay, these are the electrophilic chemical reactions. Br plus, and Br plus, benzene ring having aromatic character, it is having 6 pi electron, it is electron rich, so it can supply electron density. Electron density will be supplied by like this, it will be supplying from here, one hydrogen will be there to regain its aromatic character, that hydrogen is removed. So ultimately the substance which we get, that is bromobenzene. Okay, we do not discuss about the mechanism. If I go for the mechanism, this conversion reaction will be quite lengthy. So we are getting electrolyte from this reagent. Br and Br will attach to the benzene ring, because it is acting as a electron donating substance, and it is acting as a electron accepting substance. Okay, it can accept electron poor, and it is electron rich. Okay, now to introduce NO2, we always carry out nitration, and for nitration we have concentrate a mixture of H2SO4, and conc we have HNO3 is there, HNO3. Okay, from here we can get electrophile, that is NO2 plus is there, NO2 plus. Again, this is also an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts, acylation reaction, alkylation reaction. These are the examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. In these cases, these reagents always generate electrophile. In the mechanism, you can understand how electrophiles are generated. Okay, so this Br group will direct this NO2 to the para position as well as to the ortho position, because it is ortho as well as para directing. So I can write one product. We have Br is attached here already, and one NO2 will go to the ortho position, and another NO2 can go to the para position. NO2 group is attached to the para position, you can see. So in this case we are getting symmetry. Okay, here we have the symmetry there. Okay, So you can see if you cut, so the symmetry there, equal parts will be there. In this case, it will not give us the equal parts. So you can see this is having the symmetry. Because of the symmetry, it is formed as a major product, and it does not have the symmetry. That's why it is considered as a minor product. Okay, by steam distillation, these can be segregated. They can be segregated. Okay, so you can see we got para-nitrobromobenzene. Move on to the next conversion reaction. Next conversion is convert benzene into meta-nitrochlorobenzene. First, write down the chemical reaction. Benzene is to be converted into meta-nitro. Nitro group is attached at the meta position. Let's say we have this is meta position. We got NO2, and we have chlorobenzene. This is what we have, chlorobenzene. This entire portion is chlorobenzene, and with respect to Cl, we attached NO2 at the meta position. Again we identify which group are orthodirectings. You can see Cl is having lone pair like halogen. Halogen Br is there, so it is also ortho and para directing. This NO2 is meta directing. Okay, now you can see with respect to Cl, I need NO2 at the meta position. With respect to Cl, I need NO2 with meta position. If I introduce Cl first, so since it is ortho and para directing, so if we, after the introduction of Cl, if I carry out nitration reaction, so NO2 group will be directed to the ortho or para position, ortho and para position. We don't need NO2 at the ortho and para position, we need at the meta position. Okay, so you can see we need, with respect to this NO2, Cl is at the meta position. Okay, this is ortho and meta, and it is para. So I need, you can see NO2 group. First of all, we have to introduce NO2 group because it is meta directing. Then we can carry out halogenation. Halogen will go to the meta directing. Okay, so always look at the position, as I say, and identify the type of the groups given, whether they are ortho, meta, or para directing. Okay, so first of all, we have to introduce NO2 by nitration reaction, and then we can introduce Cl by halogenation reaction. Okay, so we have the benzene ring. Okay, and to introduce NO2 group, we can carry out a nitration reaction. This is concentrate, it is H2SO4, and plus we have concentrate HNO3 is there. As I said, this mixture will give us electrophile, that is NO2 is there. So you can NO2 plus electrophile. NO2 plus you can attach anywhere. It is electron rich, it will supply electron density. Let's say we get a nitrobenzene. First of all, we get a nitrobenzene is there, NO2 is there, nitrobenzene. Okay, then we can carry out halogenation. If we carry out chlorination, so this NO2 group is what meta directing. Cl will be directed to the meta position with respect to NO2. So now we can carry out halogenation. This is FeCl3, and we have Cl2 is there. So from this region we can get a Cl plus. This is what electrophile, and this electrophile will be directed to the meta position with respect to NO2. Then we got, this is what we have, NO2, and Cl is attached to the meta position. It can also be written as given in the product. Here we have R, we can mention Cl, and it is NO2. Okay, so both are same only. Okay, so like this we can do the conversion. So always identify the type of the group attached to the benzene ring. Okay, next we have para-nitrotoluene is there, para-nitrotoluene. Okay, third conversion we have, third conversion. Okay, third conversion. So benzene is to be converted into para-nitrotoluene. Toluene we have benzene ring, and to the benzene ring we attach a CH3. Here we have CH3. Okay, and para-nitro, in the para position nitro group is attached. Okay, this is what we have carried out conversion. Okay, identify the group attached. You can see this is what a positive inductive effect. Alkyl group is there, and they are always electron donating group. So we can say, since it is donating electron density, it is ortho as well as para directing. Okay, NO2 we have learned it is what, meta directing. Okay, so with respect to CH3 we need NO2 at the meta position. This is what CH3 we have ortho as well as okay, NO2 we need at the para position with respect to CH3. Then you can see CH3 is what, ortho as well as para directing. So first of all, we have to introduce alkyl group and then followed by nitration. If I carry out nitration, then we do the alkylation. So what will happen? This alkyl group with respect to NO2 will go to the meta position. We don't need the group at the meta position. Okay. So first we introduce alkyl group and then we carry out halogenation. No, sorry, nitration reaction to introduce NO2. Okay, let's carry out. Benzene ring is there. Benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring. In the benzene ring, if we have to introduce alkyl group, we can follow Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and this is what an electrophilic chemical reaction. Okay, so we have a Fe. We can take CH3Cl and plus we have anhydrous aluminum chloride is there, anhydrous aluminum chloride. So as I said, these are the examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. So this mixture will give us electrophile, that is CH3 plus. CH3 plus. This CH3 plus can be attached anywhere across the benzene because it is electron donating group and there is no any other group, so we don't need to check the direction and position of the group attaching on the benzene ring. Okay, so let's say I attach CH3 here. Okay, because it will donate electron density. Okay, now we can carry out nitration. For the nitration, we know the reagent concentrate we can take HNO3 and plus we have concentrate H2SO4 is there, H2SO4. From here you can get electrophile. This is what NO2 plus, NO2 plus. This NO2 plus will be directed to para position as well as ortho position because CH3 group is what ortho as well as para directing. So we can form the product. This is the benzene ring. CH3 is there. Sorry, I'm putting meta directing. So we have NO2 at the ortho position, and next product we get CH3 is there and one NO2 is at the para position. This is the major and this is the minor. Okay, because it is having the symmetry. Okay, so like this we can complete the reaction. Last one is that acetophenone. Okay, so let's complete that reaction also. Acetophenone. So benzene is to be converted into acetophenone, and chemical formula you should remember acetophenone. Chemical formula of acetophenone CO and this is CH3 is there. There is no any other group. Okay, so this reaction can be completed in a single step because this is only one group is there. We have to introduce only one group in the benzene ring and then we can complete the reaction. Okay, so you can see this is what acyl group is there, and we have learned one electrophilic substitution reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This acyl group can be introduced. So we have the benzene ring, alkylation. In the third reaction we have done. Now we have acylation reaction. Very good question. We have CH3, it is COO and this is Cl is there, and we have anhydrous aluminum chloride is there. Okay, this mixture will give us acyl group CH3 COO and it will have positive charge and electron. You can see benzene ring is what electron rich, will supply electron density, so you can attach acyl group anywhere over the benzene. Okay, we get COO and this is what CH3 there. This is acetophenone. Common name is there, acetophenone. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.